Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to start a faceless YouTube channel from scratch. So first, what is a faceless YouTube channel? Well, that's basically a method of making content where there isn't a person in front of the camera. With a faceless channel, you can eventually scale it up to the point where you can automate the entire content creation process. And now with AI, you can easily start multiple faceless YouTube channels for an even lower price than before. This is because you can eliminate a lot of time wasted, along with all the costs of hiring out somebody to do things like scripting, editing, and even doing voiceovers for your videos. Another thing about faceless YouTube channels is that you can generate millions of views and make a ton of money, right? Everybody knows that YouTube is a very lucrative platform because there are so many ways of monetizing. You could do it through affiliate marketing, you can make money from AdSense. And yeah, if you want to learn more about that kind of stuff, then feel free to check out our other videos on this channel. Now, why would somebody start a faceless YouTube channel in the first place? Well, for starters, it's a great option for people that are camera shy. And it's also very cost effective if you don't have a big budget to buy expensive camera equipment. AI tools don't really cost that much. They're normally just monthly payments. And actually most of the AI tools on this video have a free trial. And yeah, faceless YouTube channels also allow people to, explore their passions. So pretty much anything that you're passionate about, you can make a YouTube channel about it. And last, yeah, I know we already talked about it, but again, you can make a ton of money and become financially free from faceless YouTube channels. There are tons of faceless YouTube channels out there that are killing it, getting millions of views, generating a lot of money. And if you can figure out how to make really good videos on YouTube, then yeah, it could be a very lucrative business. So, okay, let's go over the first step, which is starting your channel. First, you want to figure out your channel name, your niche, and your audience. For this, if you don't already have some ideas in your head, then you can use a platform like ChatGPT to help you come up with those ideas. And the next thing that you're going to want to do once you have your name, your niche, and your audience is that you're going to want to create your channel art. So this includes things like your logo, your banner, as well as all the other media that you want to use for your videos. For this, I recommend checking out two different AI tools. The first one is called Midjourney, and this is basically a Discord channel that you can join, and you can give it a descriptive prompt that will generate any image that you want. The next platform is Dall-e 2, which is actually an AI tool that was made by the same creators of ChatGPT. And this is also a platform that's capable of generating a ton of different images based on text descriptions. And with both of these platforms, you can really create any image that you want in the world. So if you want to create an image with Elon Musk and Albert Einstein sitting at the same table together, then Midjourney and Dall-e 2 can do that. For your channel art, you can also go on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr and hire out freelancers to do this for you. And I know this is an AI, but I'm including it in this video because they're actually pretty cheap if you go overseas. In the past, I've gone to people overseas that have charged me $10 to $20 per logo, which is actually a pretty good price, especially if you like the type of work that they do. And the last thing that you're going to want to do to finish setting up your YouTube channel is actually use a platform like Notion or Clickup to store your content calendar. These two platforms can help you organize all of your content, and you can also separate it between things that are, in planning or things that are filming or things that need to be edited. So yeah, we highly recommend that you use one of these platforms. We actually recommend using Notion as a beginner and then switching over to Clickup once you get a team. Okay, moving on to step number 2 is actually making the content. This is where the fun begins because there's a ton of AI tools that you can use during this process. And I've separated by 3 different categories. The first category is researching and scripting. The second category is editing. And the third category is adding in a voiceover along with music. For researching and scripting, here are the 2 AI tools that you can use. The first one is ChatGPT, which can give you a bunch of different things and help you pretty much write anything. So it can give you data about certain topics. It can give you historical quotes from famous people. And yeah, pretty much anything that you want to know about, you can ask ChatGPT. The next platform is going to be VidIQ's AI Coach. This is pretty much the ChatGPT for YouTube. So you can pretty much ask it anything you want and it will remember everything that you say to it. So if you want to know about a certain topic, it'll remember that and then apply it to the next question that you ask it. However, these platforms do have their limits, with ChatGPT having no data past 2021 and then VidIQ having limited knowledge on YouTube Shorts. Now moving on to the next part of content creation, which is the editing part. The first platform that I want to talk to you about is Runwayml, which is a great video generating platform. It's super cool because it has a bunch of different AI magic tools, such as generating images, infinitely expanding on them, making them move around, and yeah, it can pretty much generate any clip that you need for your video. The next platform that I want to talk to you about is Descript, and this is a super easy platform to use because instead of editing editing with a traditional timeline, you're actually editing from the subtitles, hence the name Descript. And the last platform that I want to go over is Midjourney, and I know we already talked about this, but you can use this along with Dall-e 2 to generate a bunch of other custom images to add onto your video. Now, moving on to the next part, we have generating voiceovers using AI. Here's some of the platforms that we recommend checking out. The first one is Prime Voice AI, and the next one is Wellsaid Labs. These two platforms pretty much do the exact same thing. They offer really high quality voiceovers, and they both have free trials. So I recommend go out there and take their free trials and then see which platform that you like the best. The next platform is SoundDraw.io, and this is basically an AI tool that'll allow you to create custom music based on the mood. So let's say, for example, you have a part of your video that, shifts from happy to sad. Well, you can use SoundDraw.io to create different soundtracks for each different mood. And especially if you have a faceless YouTube channel where you need to evoke a lot of emotion, this AI tool can be really useful. Okay, moving on to step number 3, which is actually posting your video on YouTube. There's 2 elements to this, and the first one is going to be the thumbnail, and the second one is going to be your metadata. So it's going to be your title, your description, as well as your tags. For thumbnails, I recommend just using Midjourney and Dall-e 2 to create custom images, and you can use a platform like Canva to add some text and do the rest of the finishes to the thumbnail. Another platform that you can use is Luminar AI, and this is basically a platform where you can enhance any image that you add onto it. Their AI technology is incredible. I mean, we use this for every single thumbnail that we make, and it instantly makes our thumbnails 10 times better. Now, for titles, descriptions, and tags, there's 3 different platforms that I recommend checking out. The first platform is going to be TubeBuddy, and this is a really good platform for being able to A/B test your thumbnails. The next platform is VidIQ, and this is a really good platform for being able to do a bunch of keyword research on your topic. And of course, the last one that everybody's been using so far is ChatGPT, and this can be used for pretty much anything from coming up with ideas for your title and even writing out your entire description. And now the last step, which is actually repurposing your content. This one is super cool because you can leverage AI to basically speed up your productivity by 100 times and even more. Now, the reason why I'm saying this is because you can use these AI platforms to actually repurpose your long form content into short form content. There are 3 different platforms that you can check out. The first one's called Video.ai, the next one is Pictory AI, and the last one is V.io. All of these platforms are pretty similar, and they can all create a bunch of different short form content from your long form videos very fast, and it includes a bunch of things like captions, templates, emojis, and more. All 3 of these platforms have free trials that I recommend checking out, but at least from what I can see from their pricing models, V.io seems to have the best value for your dollar. Okay, those are pretty much all the 4 steps that you need to follow in order to start your faceless YouTube channel from scratch using AI. Feel free to reference back to this video at any time. I know we went over a lot of stuff today, but yeah, nowadays with AI tools like ChatGPT, you can pretty much create faceless YouTube channels from scratch. All the platforms that we talked about today are going to have links in the description for you guys to check out, and I highly recommend checking out the platforms TubeBuddy and VidIQ, especially since we have a special code for VidIQ that will give you over 90% off. So check those platforms out and leave comments down below what you think. Anyways, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping out new entrepreneurs and content creators start their own business. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.